Releasing dopamine.
Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Mueve la colita, look.
Yo, come here! Yo! Let's see what my dance be like, and you dance with people then. What's a real fast? Let's see what everybody will dance in that. They dance again, cha-cha. So what's the people that dance? I'm going to give you the dance. Go find the path. Alright! Dance again, cha-cha. What am I doing? I'm playing that. Hold it. You are dancing me like a dancing people. What's the difference? Dancing, keep it. They're dancing in cha-cha. So what's the people that dance? Everybody you dance. Go up and jump on. Like you were saying. Dancing in cha-cha. Everybody in the dance. Everything you do, nothing for the cha-cha. Like you were saying. Everybody do the walk up here. No play. Stop playing. Boom, big up on the set. You see people when they are road, we don't have to pay with everything. But you see people on one side that suffer on them, yeah? Tell her big up on the set. Tell her skate and a fear. Not that really they're too far. And you see one of us VIP around us, so them there. Pull up, Joe. Sorry, Monty. When you come close, I feel station. Yeah, that's too far. Pull up. Pull up. Them tie it straight. Pull up. Ease up. Them tie it straight. Pull up. Them tie it straight, bro. Pull up there.
Chop the face,
dude. This one never be a binding wire. Let me use binding wire. Pull us up there. Pull us up there. Watch out now.
Chop the face.
Jesus Christ. Watch out.
Let me clear for you.
Never pull it. Sorry, buddy. Sorry.
Never pull.
Bravo, deep binding wire.
A big binding wire.
Deep binding wire. Sorry, watch that deep binding wire. Awesome, never pull it. You got the electrical work. Don't worry about it. Well, I'm construction. Overstay the one they did it. Yeah. You got to cement now. Pull out the rest. Pull out it. See, they can pull out. What's it up? Alright. Yeah. Hold on. Take time. Join us up. What is that? Yeah. Come close to you. See that? I'm trying to figure it. Play something. Right now. Everybody know what we're actually practicing right now. You're going to practice it. We're going to tell me in the crowd. I want them out there, rivers. Please stand. Follow me and beat the rivers. Hey, what is that song? No one is here. Back to them. Never need a sister. Where I want to hear. Rivers, I said no one is here. See that I said no one is here. Boom, anything I want to hear. People are in the real party, man. What on the part of it, security?
Buying it for you. You have to go keep playing.
Go pull a buying well. The artist and what up, my friends? Because when time people get too far and too nice style, yeah. Yes, and I say. Boom! Big up on the style, boom, energy chick. They say, out there, sir. I be a sufferer out there. We should have fly the gate right now. We don't know the thing already. Spice there, Caesar Kalonji there. You know what the thing though. No for them picking and force them as we so. So they come up to enjoy themselves with the picking there. And the people them, which is right? Say voice. Say voice. Say voice. Now testify. Say next one. Oh! People must say water. I have to do something water. Everybody rock from left to right. If we're now rock, then I'll sing no more song. Everybody rock up. That's it, never die. Hold on, my forward. You don't get intensified. I feel it keep them. You want everybody rock, that's the one step. You feel it keep them. Everybody, nobody. Everybody. Alright, sit down then. Then you double. Come on, the music, don't jump up. Then you double. Hey, like the dancing man. Then you double. Where's the phone? Rock it. If your foot a big like here, we come to run up and down here. If you're about the people in shoes right now, or the move like the feet that come here, and the good move them, and the good shoes that never have good here. Play next to police, you will stand up beside the big chief with the Anna pocket. May I tell you about the Anna pocket something? Start the judge in your honor. All the prophets to be Jamaica. Come, so what am I here? Now for him, sell out like what? All the prophets to be Jamaica want to hear and say, what? Bring this up to you. Look here, good girl. Good girl, you're playing on good girl. Walk off yourself now. Hey, let the girl get it. You want me out something on the video, man. Come here, good girl. Miss Kitty, the good something that you wear. And the good gear that you wear, the good clothes. The good shine and the good glitter. You don't know what wedding ring you have on your finger. Last time, can you have a pre-wedding ring something there? Good. And the good boat you have on. You can't find back to the party. Miss Kitty part. Find my Miss Kitty part for me. Right at the second verses. Miss Kitty, give me the paper. You don't want somebody up. I don't want no obstruction. See if I know everybody to you now. Yeah? Miss Kitty, when you're a sexy one. Why the boy gotta start on this? See if I know Miss Kitty. Alright! Carry to the gym. You want me at Miss Kitty, but the people want to go on the wall. And I know. The mama, the trip, the clean and old. That's the one. Kitty, when the good morning, Kitty, hustle. Watch out. Sure. We step in on the club and dance up a dope and then I come away. You stand so bad. Big up on yourself, but one can't fly again now. Yeah. I suffer about that. Tell a big up yourself, still in a fear what? They don't know anything up here, next one day say. Tell me what you're sit down! Sit down, everybody! What am I doing? Oh, everybody, I'm not real! What? Shampoo! 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 Ladies, the segment of the broadcast is snapping. Take out the phone. Make sure I'm a good phone number on. Level. Make sure I'm a good phone number on. Now you can't take the stock them and look blurry. You can't see the set. You can't see when you're weird. It just looks blurry. You see the camera look like one accident. You don't know where I'm. You see that part of the party, yeah? They're going to say the good girl and the good food. I'm one for you, snap me. Play next time to the music. Spice, where you text me for? Push me up, please. What do you push me up? Push me up, hold on. When I feel like you have a macaroni, man. Push me up. Spice! Stop texting my phone. Spice! Where you text me for? Spice! I know a hot boy you are. Where you text me for, Spice? You know why Spice I text for people? What do you know why Spice I text me? Play this one then. Play this one. Shut up! Spice stop text me for what? We are touching the one. 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 Basket.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what I mean, you know. When I always make DJ get me down. But DJ knows from a place and stand on the stage. DJ think Shaida. DJ in every clip. Every phone clip will go DJ in it. And then she repost it. Dance, I hear dances. Come on, girl, them like you. Please say again.
Shut on it.
When you watch me play this, you're playing that dance. Boom! When you're moving up to the other, we are touching one, we are touching the two one, we are touching one, we are touching the two one, we are touching one, it's like we want to go to the back. Touching one, we are touching one, we are touching like a guitar. We are expressing in the air, we are touching a body called Ruth. It's a very body, no better, shop a tiger. We're saying that boy, we're saying that boy. Ladies, like the party I want girl face. Ladies, you like how they come out. You know when enough girl come on a party, I wouldn't tell you. Say it again. Say it again, good girl. Listen to me now. You see the Christmas season, ladies. The hairstyle when we start off in September can't go in a Christmas. You see the clothes that one hour from September back to school, it can't go in a Christmas. Now Chacha girl there? Ladies, you see the reach to Chacha boy part, more than see Chacha girl. Play something. Dance here down shot. Play something basic. I watch your time from the tall basic, watch your time. Play something. What is going on here basic? Chacha What's your style now? Oh, what's your style still have your name pocket? We have to talk. Make sure the man in there okay? What do you know? I'll teach yourself, bruh. I'll rubbish entertainment, say, bruh. What do you got to never love Shensi? I say, bruh. Hold on. Can you see more time? More time now. Shensi go some places. Hold on there. And Shensi play on Sunday and get some foul and then sit there. See? More to good girl up there. Find Shensi or something for me. She not there now. Big promise, my brother. In a real life. See? She do something independent ladies there. Jesus Christ. Miss Kitty, what a way you go on. What a way you own on the singer. What a way the exits just show. They can't deal with it. You find yourself? You don't find it? You don't find it? You get it? You get 3. 1 second 3. Stop it. More of a bad girl. Not go cheap, bro. And I can't talk it up clean up. You see the police over there, so the man in pocket. I want a girl go one point with a song and play. Just jump the fence or something. See me? The man in pocket. A girl, a bad girl. Please stop, listen. Please stop. Officer, I see you. Your friend will laugh off of you. Remember you take out back to the woman and officer. They better leave the premises. Miss Kitty, see your face. Miss Kitty, know you. Miss Kitty, I don't talk about your morning. All wicked officer will run from woman. Your wicked life. Good girl, come here, send money here. Come and take money from pocket, put it back. Play on that stuff for you now. DJ, be up yourself. Everybody get your dance here. DJ, brother. Oh, from here to Kingston. I understand you run over the ghetto. already. But we want to sing my verse to come in. Turn it back to me, man. Turn it back to me, man. Yes! Rubbish voice, man, and the believe in a little youth and I go up. In name Cash. I want little youth, number 12 by 30. Period now, what Cash that? Period.
All the people that are going to be inside themselves, you make your girl. Think that we make ourselves in the whole rivers. But you know what you already know.
Rubbish,
Now you know we want to party, now you make we start it. But we like to party. And you think about the real. You never said that town and we are going our vibe. We want to see everybody in the vibe. You said that I talk to one of the days when I'm kids go. It's like up like people like when I'm Christmas. So we clean, we have a fresh thing up. Tell us which for the good thing them clean up. We are partying around all the way that be. You said you want to be partying on the streets.
Never. You have a bad song. Take time to do it up. Big up black.
Who will put them like that? Who will put them like that? Right now more than lock off.
Yeah.
I like people that want to lose somebody who they love. Go so. I like people that want to lose somebody who they love and then not get to make it to 2019. Go so. That's what I'm talking about. Here we have to say. The first of what me asked my grandmother, Lord, and my brother did. Over the same year, I'm yes, them drama, you know, easy none at all. You're tired to see the mother, them a ball. Here goes one, we see another youth fall. You will stress me every time we get a call. You must stop put the phone in the one, sing! You go put yourself there, I promise you, so
when people know you use taxi already. I know the people, remember me usually use bus. I usually use taxi. The phone number that tell like on a taxi something like that. Because the taxi driver then they are wait on outside. When people don't approve use taxi, I'm not sure of fear or something. Because she had grown and taxi on the road there. Fear of artists. More I let it go. They believe in I. Fear. These are taxi driver this. I do a taxi stop. Fear. Thank you. The man just see a young boy. And the man talk back on that stage. They know him govern young boy. I see Caesar London govern young boy right now. The whole of all the stuff. Judgment here, big up for yourself. Peace and hate to the peace. Yeah. What?
Releasing dopamine.